Hello and welcome back to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to see who doesn't follow you back on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. On Instagram, tap on your profile photo on the bottom right. In here, click on your followers list. In here, you will see all your followers. Let's tap on this person for now. Now I will tap on their profile and I'll see if its account isn't private. Now I'll head on over to my following list. In here, I will use the search bar and then search for that specific person or their specific username. I'm not following the person as of now. For tutorial purposes, I am going to be switching to that account. Now that I am in this new account, I will tap on my profile on the bottom right. Then I will head on over to notifications. As you can see, I will see that the person is now following me. I will just click on confirm. Now I'll go to my profile on the bottom right. In here, I've already followed back the person, so I will switch account once again. Then I will go over to my followers list. Once I am now on the following followers list, I will search for their account. And then in here, it says following. Over at followers, as you can see, I can find this person already on my followers list. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.